When do you want to use a jam knot, or when do you want to use a loop knot? A snug knot or a jam knot will hinder the overall action of a lure. On the other hand, a loop knot will allow a lure to express its natural action and flow freely through the water. I have responded to thousands of comments on my YouTube and my TikTok channel. And by far, this is fishermen's favorite knot. This is the regular clinch knot, and even though anglers love this knot, it has limitations. If you use the clinch knot with braided fishing line, it will slip. For braided fishing line, you want to use the Palomar knot. Double your line over. Put the doubled over line through the eye of the hook. And make a loop on top of the fishing hook, like that. Now put this loop through that loop. Now you're going to bring this loop over the fishing hook. Wet your fishing line and pull it tight. As the knot closes, make sure the last part of this loop goes over the eye of the hook. Like this. Cut your tag. This fishing lure has a split ring. So here you can use a snug knot also. This lure does not have a split ring, so here we're going to use a loop knot. Cut your tag. This is a 2-ounce fluke jig used for catching flounder. This fluke jig does not have any natural action, so you don't have to worry about using a loop knot. So for this particular jig lure, a regular snug knot is appropriate. And here we're going to tie the uni knot. Cut your tag. If you want to attach two fishing lines together, main line to leader, use a double uni knot. Cut tag 1. Cut tag 2.